Hi all, I am Guru here guys. I am back to you people. Guys, today I would like to discuss with you people on the concept of planning. I mean to say, if I wanted to test the product, okay, if I wanted to test the product, right, we should have a systematic plan for that. Systematic plan in the sense, for example, if I wanted to test around 15,000 functionality for the product. Okay, I have a requirement. So by looking into the requirement, right, I need to design the plan for that. What exactly the plan contains? Okay, why we need this test plan? See, testing the functionality with respect to plan goes a very important. Means it's a very important topic which I'm going to discuss with you people today. See, planning section will start at a time when you get the requirement. So this planning will be done by your the test lead, senior test lead, or your manager. So what are the things he is going to look into the in the requirement prospects of you to design the plan? See, for example, I am a manager. I got the requirement. If I would like to start the test planning, right? So I would like to start designing the plan section of that particular product. What are the things I need? I need the domain expertise. I mean to say, being a project manager, have I executed such kind of domain in my earlier experience? If I have executed with a particular domain for the testing, so what are the risks may come into the picture? What kind of experience I need to analyze myself? Will I able to design the systematic plan for this product or not? See, products might be web application. I mean to say, product might be the healthcare product, insurance product, or transportation product, or banking projects. So there are different kinds of domain will be available. So which domain I do have my past experience? Okay, in my past experience, what are the things, what are the risks I might have faced? So that will be the learning curve for me to design the new test plan for the new product. I would like to note it down. I would like to consider all the points which I have faced earlier in the difficulties with a risk. Those points I would like to collect systematically. I would like to write it down. Like what are the bad experience I have while delivering the product, so that I should not repeat the same mistakes what I have executed earlier project. I might have done the good work also. I might have slipped out the releases also. So I would like to consider all those things in front of me. Then I would like to understand the domain. Then I would like to understand the whole product functionality. So once I'm done with this, right? So that I would like to ask them, is there any changes still updating on the requirement document? Means requirement document should be finalized, guys. There is no changes. There is no change requirements has to be added once they submitted, once they given me the requirements. What I will do, I would like to go through, I would like to understand first the product functionality. Then I would like to set my objectives in the plan. Objectives means what? See, once I would like to start my testing activities, right? I should set the goal for my team. So that is the objective I would like to set. If I am releasing my product to the production, right? What would be the defect leakage ratio? What is my expectations once I release this product to the production? So I would like to set the objectives of that particular plan. Then I would like to set the effort estimation, means how much effort I can put for this product, how many resources I need. Means if I start this product, right, what are the software things I need to install in my application, in my laptop? Means if I wanted to connect my server to the US server, I mean to say I wanted to access the server remotely. What are the softwares I need to install? How security my product should be when I'm going to test? What kind of hardware it is going to require? Means if I wanted to test that product, right, once I get the build to test, what are the hardware it is, so that the application is comfortable? What is the front end of that application? What is the back end of that application? Fine. So what are the risks I may face while executing this project? Means sometimes server may go down. Sometime I may face The resource risk means resources were not up to the mark. What is the mitigation plan for that? What are the risks may come up? I would like to list it down. I would like to mention those risks in my test plan. So how best I am going to take that mitigation plan? Identifying the risk, taking the mitigation plan is very, very important component of test plan, guys. Very, very important component of test plan. And what kind of process I am going to follow in the testing? Means what is my, how I am going to rise the defect? What is the defect life cycle? Okay. How many resources I would like to identify for the execution, and how many resources are available for me for this product? What are the rules and responsibility of every person I need to define? What the tester used to do in my project? What is a test lead plan? What is a test lead has to do in my project? What are the senior rules and responsibility I need to define? What is the QA person rules and responsibility I need to define? And what kind of mitigation plan I am going to take while I'm facing difficulties while executing the project? Risk and mitigation plan and schedule. What is my effort estimation? What is expected effort? Expected effort in the sense what kind of effort I need to estimate for that project? What would be my actual effort? What is the ratio? If I'm going to release this product to the production, what could be my defect leakage ratio? What is the systematic process I'm going to follow to avoid more defect leakage in the production? Which environment? What are the environments are available for me? Dev environment, QA environment, UAT environment, and a production environment. That I need to mention every information of test execution planning. It should have all the things where I could design a systematic plan for all the product. According to that plan, after designing the test plan, right, I would like to put it for the review with my seniors, like account head, delivery managers, project development project managers. I wanted to put that plan in front of everybody. Let them add their points also. See, if I'm putting that plan in front of everybody, right, their thoughts will come into the picture and they may put some their idea. So can you do this? Can you do that? Can you add some more things? Can you delete this? So many people like a account manager, delivery manager, project manager of the development, everybody, they would like to put their thoughts, their idea. So can we do like this? If the thoughts and ideas really they are good, I would like to mention those things so that my execution and delivery should go very smoothly. And what are the value adds we are going to give? So these test plan will go for the review. Once I get the review comments, right? Like they may give me the review comments also. Guru, can you add this? Guru, can you delete this? Guru, can we put some more things in the scope of testing and out of scope of testing? Scope of testing in the sense, what are the things we are considering? Are we considering only the functional testing? Are we considering only the performance testing? Are we concentrating on the user interface testing also? So what is the scope? What scope we are going to identify? So we would like to interact with the customer. We would like to ask them, what is the scope of testing? Are you limited to the functional testing? Are you interested to take the performance testing also on this project? First, I need to identify the scope also. What is out of scope? See, for example, scope is only for the functional testing. Performance testing is out of scope. They may give that project to the another company to do the performance testing. They are giving us only for the functional testing. So we need to identify the scope also. What is the scope? What is the out of scope? Okay. So these things will come up with my past experience, what kind of experience I have, and how best I am going to design this plan. So once I'm done with the test plan, right, I would like to ask the review comments for my seniors as well as my peer colleagues also. I would like to take an input. Once it is finalized, once it is reviewed and review comments have been added, updated, I would like to publish that test plan to all my teams. Let them go through. Let them ask me the questions. If they could not able to understand the plan, right, they should ask me the questions. What is this? What is this? Let them understand, because one person contribution is very important for the project execution, guys. I would like to take the review comments from my subordinates. Even I would like to respect the review comments for the freshers who don't know testing also, because I would like to see the value adds. I would like to see the idea, what idea they can give. According to that, we would like to design the plan. Then by referring that plan, right, we will start, go ahead and execute the testing projects. Guys, here scope is important. Identifying the risk is important. What kind of software you are going to use for this your project? What kind of hardware you are looking out for this project? And what is the main objective? Which objective you wanted to set? So there are a couple of components which are really very important while designing the plan. We call it as designing a plan, and taking an approval of plan is also very important, guys, because every project team wanted to review your plan. They would like to give their idea. They would like to give their, and even though they may give their inputs also. They may guide you where you are going wrong also. See, it is a project teamwork. We should take everybody's input and we should respect everybody's inputs, and we would like to add those things in the plan, and we would take it as approval. Then we would like to follow the testing process. Then we would like to execute the project with the help of plan. This is the real plan, guys. This is the real plan which the industry's people is going to design, and they would like to refer your requirement document very well. So in the requirement document, they may give out of scope also. They may give in scope also. We would like to see the documents very well manner. We should understand, we should interact with the customers if we could not able to understand any documents. Okay, that will help us to design the plan section very well. Guys, I'm very thankful to you people. Now you are listening my video. What do you need to do? Just go and subscribe in my channel. You will get the best videos. Apart from that, I would like to suggest you guys, whoever they are my follower in the YouTube. Few people are following me, and if you are really interested, better join with me and work with me. We would like to help you. We would like to make you as an individual contributor. I'm very thankful to you people once again. We will meet you once again in the YouTube or in my live channel. Thank you guys. See you. See you again.